Imagine a company launches an AI customer service chatbot. A user asks it for a competitor's phone number, and it helpfully provides one. Another user asks for legal advice, and it gives some. Without any protection in place, the AI answers everything it knows, whether that is appropriate for the business or not. A guardrail is the safety layer that sits around an AI application and decides what is allowed in and what is allowed out. In this lesson, you will learn exactly what guardrails are, why they matter, and how they work. No coding required. Here is what we will cover. First, what is a guardrail? The clear, plain English definition. Then, how a guardrailed app works. The two checkpoints every message passes through. Next, without guardrails versus with guardrails, the real difference it makes. Finally, three types of guardrails: input, output, and topic. Let us get started. A guardrail is a boundary or filter placed around an LLM to control what it receives and what it returns. It keeps the AI focused, safe, and appropriate for its purpose. Without a guardrail, an LLM will answer anything it knows, including things that are harmful, off topic, or simply wrong for your business context. A guardrail does not change the AI model itself. It is a protective layer that sits around the model, deciding what gets in and what comes out. Think of the guardrail as the difference between a powerful tool and a responsible product. The tool does not care what it is used for, the product has rules. Here is how a guardrailed AI application works. User input is whatever the person types: a question, a request, or sometimes an attempt to misuse the system. It enters raw, unchecked, and unpredictable. The input guardrail is the first checkpoint. It reviews the message before the AI ever reads it. Harmful or off topic requests are stopped here and never reach the AI at all. The LLM application receives only what the input guardrail approved, reads the message, and generates a reply. The output guardrail is the second checkpoint. The AI's reply is reviewed before the user sees it. Anything problematic is caught here and replaced with a safe fallback. The final output is what the user actually receives, a reply that passed both checkpoints automatically without the user ever knowing it is there. Without guardrails, the AI is essentially unlimited. It will answer anything, follow any direction, and produce whatever output the user steers it toward. That might be fine in a research setting. It is not fine in a product used by real people. One unexpected reply can damage trust, create legal risk, or embarrass the company. Nothing was checked or logged. With guardrails, the AI operates inside defined boundaries. Harmful or off topic requests are blocked before the AI ever processes them. Every blocked request is logged, so you know exactly what users attempted. Replies are reviewed before delivery. No surprises reach the user. The key insight is that adding guardrails does not make the AI worse, it makes the AI appropriate, focused on what it was built for, and consistent enough to trust in a real world deployment. There are three types of guardrails, and understanding each one matters. Input guardrails review the user's message before the AI sees it. They catch harmful requests, off topic questions, and attempts to manipulate the AI before any processing begins. Output guardrails review the AI's reply before the user reads it. They catch anything the model produced that should not be delivered, even if the input looked fine. Topic guardrails keep the AI inside its defined subject area. A medical chatbot stays on health topics. A customer service bot stays on product questions. Nothing drifts outside. These three types can be stacked. A single application can use all three simultaneously, creating overlapping layers of protection. The AI does not know what it should not say, the guardrail does. That is why you always need both. Let us bring it all together. A guardrail is a safety layer built around an AI application that controls what goes in and what comes out. It does not change the AI model, it protects the experience around it. Without guardrails, an AI answers everything it knows, regardless of whether that is safe, appropriate, or on topic. This is acceptable in a demo, but dangerous in a real product. Every guardrailed application has two checkpoints: an input guardrail that reviews the user's message before the AI sees it, and an output guardrail that reviews the AI's reply before the user reads it. The three types of guardrails, input, output, and topic, can be stacked together to create overlapping layers of protection. Think about an AI application you would like to build: a study helper, a recipe assistant, a fitness coach. Write down three things it should never say or do. Those three rules are your first guardrails.